So here we have a Beogram 2400 Bang & Olufsen. I guess it's a common problem because these are dating from, I think, 1978, that some of the lubricants and grease may have dried up. And the problem with this one is that the tone arm, when moving over to the record, it does move over to the record, but it does not lower. From reading online, it seems to be a brass pin, which I believe it's that pin right there, is stuck. In this particular case, I've opened it and looked at it, and I did shoot a little bit of electronic cleaner right down here, right into, oh shoot, right into down in here where it goes in, and it wasn't really that stuck. And as you can see, it kind of goes up and down. It has a pin that goes through the middle of this this larger brass pin, and the only thing I'm having a problem with is trying to figure out how to get that out, that pin, because it happens to go right there, and it's not easy to remove, and it doesn't want to come off. So I can take the large brass pin here off and clean it and re-lubricate it. So I'm kind of stuck there. If anybody has any suggestions or ideas, please mention in the comments. This one happens to be in very nice condition, and I think that is the only problem with it. If I can get that tone arm to lower so I can play the records, that would be great. And once again, it does move up and down that much like this. It does seem not that smooth when it's coming up and down. I could feel a little resistance maybe, or kind of scratching up against something. And I'm pretty sure it needs to be relubricated. So I just need to get this pin off right here. So I can take the large brass pin off, clean it, relubricate it, put it back in, and see if that makes a difference. Even though I did get this to move, I did turn it around and tried the turntable again, and it moves over to the record but does not lower. The tone arm does not lower. All right, thank you very much. Bye-bye.